Hello kids, welcome to Woku Online Kids TV. Today we learn 2D shape, circle, square, pentagon, rectangle, triangle and star. Let's start. If you learn this video, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Black color, shape name, circle, shape name, circle, shape name, circle, next shape, square, shape name, square, shape name, square, next shape, pentagon, shape name, pentagon, shape name, pentagon, next shape, rectangle, shape name, rectangle, next shape, triangle, shape name, triangle, next shape, star, shape name, star, shape name, star, shape name, star, color, purple color, shape name, circle, shape name, circle, shape name, circle, shape name, circle, color, purple color, red color, shape name, square, shape name, square, shape name, shape name, square, shape name, square, shape name, square, color, dark green color, shape name, pentagon, pentagon, shape name, pentagon, shape name, pentagon, color, yellow color, shape name, rectangle, shape name, rectangle, shape name, rectangle, shape name, rectangle, brown color, shape name, triangle, shape name, triangle, shape name, triangle, shape name, triangle, yellow color, shape name, star, light yellow color, shape name, star, shape name, star. Let's revise. Shape name circle, square, pentagon, rectangle, triangle, and star. Again, shape name circle, square, pentagon, rectangle, triangle, and star. If you learn this video, please like, share, and subscribe the channel. Bye, kids.